Yesterday's thunderstorms have cleared. Today is drier and brighter, but the outlook is unsettled. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain. So, we've just had all the stats in from the Met Office about summer, and you won't be surprised to hear the summer we've just had has been the coolest we've had since 2015. Yeah, temperatures way below average. Sunshine was around about average, rainfall was around about average, and I've got a little graph to show you what happened and then the context of why. So, the summer we've just had sits around about 14.3 degrees. It is way below the average for where we would be expecting to see summers at the moment. But it is worth pointing out, the yellow line here is the trend. Our summers are getting hotter and hotter and hotter in a world of climate change. The hottest summer we had, 2022, we have to go a long way back to find the coldest summer. So we will have some blips along this line. This summer was the coolest we've seen since 2015. But actually, while this is below average for now, for my mum in the summer she would have experienced, this summer would have been way above average. So we are starting to see this trend going up and up and up as we get warmer summers. These cooler conditions seem like they're actually very cold, but for many of us, actually warm compared to what we would have been used to. And actually, across large parts of Europe, they've had very warm weather this summer. But things are changing. Low pressure at the moment close to the UK and close to the near continent, bringing with it very unsettled weather, some very stormy conditions and very cool conditions. That's spreading through Spain, Germany and through Italy. As we head through the coming days, like to see some news reports. And I've been to Bakewell, and I know the tart story, so it's worth listening out for later on this morning. Now, weather-wise, yes, you saw there's rain for Andy. There is low pressure close by. We have some showers for parts of England, and they're slowly moving their way eastwards, but nowhere near as heavy as the showers that we had yesterday. So for today, it's sunny spells for many of us, and then some scattered showers. I think tomorrow morning. But the big question is, does it last? Let's take a look at our 7-day outlook. Well, first of all, across the north of the UK, we are further away from low pressure. That means things are set to be that bit drier there. But temperatures, no great shakes. We're sitting around about average across the north of the UK for the next 7 days through the weekend and into next week. Percentage chance of rainfall across the north of the UK. We're likely to see sunshine and showers today and tomorrow, but high pressure moves in across the north from midweek onwards, and that means things turn dry, and it stays actually largely dry into the weekend. Different fortunes further south. So for England and Wales, away from the north of England, looking at our temperatures compared to average, a little above, so still pleasantly warm. But today we have the risk of some showers, heavier showers tomorrow and Thursday, and we stick with these showers into the weekend as well. So the south, closest to low pressure, more likely to see unsettled conditions. Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. Yesterday we had torrential thunderstorms, there was some localised flooding, but today is looking a little bit dry. There's low pressure close by, it brings with it some showers, nothing as heavy as we brought yesterday, but that stays close to the south. So the next few days, it's southern areas that stay unsettled, northern areas closer to high pressure, you have something drier to look for. Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. Yesterday, we had some torrential thunderstorms and the risk of some localised flooding. We actually saw that, some travel disruption for some parts of the UK with flooded roads and rail networks. That's eased. And today, yes, there's still some showers around. We're close to low pressure. And in the coming days, low pressure, which brings more unsettled conditions, which will bring lots of heavy showers through. Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. Yesterday, there was warmth and sunshine for some of us, top temperatures of 25 degrees. Others, we had torrential thunderstorms. Today is a mixture of sunny spells and scattered showers with an area of low pressure close to the south. And it stays close by. The near continent is set to have some very stormy weather, and that just slowly pushes into southern counties within the next few days. But away from here, the next few days are looking largely fine and dry. Today, though, is sunshine and showers to start with, but brighter later on. So this is how it looks at the moment. Showers for eastern Scotland, areas of Wales and central and eastern England. The yellow and green shows it's heavy at times. It will slowly move eastwards as we head through the day. So a brightening process from the west through England and Wales, but a reverse of fortune for Scotland and Northern Ireland as we see heavy showers moving in here later.